when you place human life above everything else. Protecting the planet takes precedence. That is the spirit of DOW. Globally, DOW follows standard policies and processes that leverage standards of safety across every sphere of activity. Each employee is responsible to ensure that our products and operations meet all applicable government or DOW standards, whichever is more stringent.
DOW मध्ये इतरही ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसिजर ज्याला आपण काम करायची पद्धती म्हणतो, ह्या प्रत्येक लिखित स्वरूपात आहेत आणि प्रत्येक कर्मचाऱ्याला त्याच्या या प्रोसिजर्सवर ट्रेनिंग दिलेले असते. तर हे सर्व कर्मचारी त्या प्रोसिजरप्रमाणे काम करतात आणि यामुळेच आपले सेफ्टी, कंपनीची सेफ्टी आहे ती अबाधित राहते.
DOW's commitment to safety practices is evident in its involvement with responsible care. DOW's operating discipline management system set the clear expectation of leadership responsibility, planning, communication, management system implementation and operation, incident reporting, incident investigation, management of change, checking and corrective actions, and so on. DOW has a comprehensive process of managing risks while transporting chemicals. It includes programs and practices designed to avoid risks or harm posed by the chemicals in the supply chain. Contractor qualification, guidance and performance review, as well as handling and storage requirements, ensure that eligible contractors are selected for transporting goods. DOW's facilities are designed and formulated following most effective technologies and loss prevention principles which have been in place since 1974. They represent the company's core institutions regarding design, installation and operating practices. DOW's emergency standards and maintenance of emergency plants and services are developed as per global standards, and these help in managing on-site and off-site incidents. This includes crisis management, emergency management planning, emergency response planning, emergency preparedness planning, and emergency response capabilities. DOW has stringent global EH&S standards that identify and assess hazards, prevent unsafe acts and conditions, maintain and improve employee health, and foster communication on health and safety issues.
Wherever we try to be doing better than what is expected from us from a safety perspective, and our safety standards across the globe are impeccable. The processes that we follow here in the site are no different from the other plants that we have outside in the different parts of the world, and this is one of the model plants for our businesses globally.
At DOW India's Kalwa site, everyone has to go through rigorous evaluation and training processes to ensure each employee is aligned to DOW's Vision Zero. Risks arising out of work are managed by life-critical standards like Safe Work Permit, Hot Work Standards, Confined Space Entry Standards, and Elevated Work Standards. DOW's pollution prevention program includes waste management, air management, water management, soil and groundwater protection, emission management, and subsurface protection. At DOW India's Kalwa plant, process sewer systems and stormwater systems are separately designed with no interface. Process spills are routed to containment dikes, after which they are treated at licensed facilities. Waste is segregated as domestic, hazardous and metallic and disposed following regulations of Maharashtra Pollution Control Board to licensed agencies. DOW has a very strong focus on process safety driven by global standards governing implementation of programs to evaluate and mitigate risks for process plants, laboratories, warehouses and all related facilities.
Our goal is to eliminate each and every injury in the plant by giving proper training, with use of proper procedures, with use of proper workforces. We will try our best to ensure that each and every employee, contractors, subcontractors, transporters, visitors will follow all the rules and regulations to ensure that everybody comes on this site leave the site safely.
At the Kalwa site, safety and security is of highest priority. It commences even as you step into the plant with registration and safety induction. Everyone working at the site or visiting the premises is responsible to report any safety and security incidents and non-compliances. We know that calamities do not come forewarned, but being prepared is the key. Keeping the human spirit and environment above everything not only protects life, it helps each and every employee at DOW India contribute effectively to everything we do.